Hello everyone. We are from PS15152 with our product focused on food sustainability named Leftover, Waste Food No More with machine learning. Next, please. So here's our team from machine learning. We have me, Daniel SIMAMORA, and Novel Dava. We have Nikita and Novel Ramadan from mobile development, and Ibrahim and also Daniel Hendra from cloud computing. So we see problems in any of F&B businesses where foods are commonly wasted with around 26% of portion, which is caused by not properly predict food supplies, which also causes excessive produced food that's indeed go into waste. And again, results in harming the environment due to the increment of carbon dioxide rate. So our product Leftover offers a solution with leveraging machine learning to help F&B businesses and enterprises. With our data-driven and machine learning approach, we could provide a quick and accurate food supplies prediction that's indeed return a profitable revenue stream to our clients. So here's our market size. Globally, from the total addressable market, we observe there are 4 million enterprises in Indonesia focused on F&B businesses. By scaling it down to total observable or obtainable market, we scale it down to 12,000. Those are the large food businesses. And by scaling it down again, we want to focus on this 120 market share, where these are the large food companies. Next, please. Okay, so how do we approach the previously 120 amount of market share? First, we want to conduct partnership with F&B businesses to use our products. Then we want to ensure our existence by build network with any zero waste communities. And also we want to conduct online marketing by running advertisement on any food buyers platform. Next, please. Okay, so here's our business model. We want to aim to handle 10 food and beverage businesses with approximately $106 worth of revenue generated in a month. So for further information on our cash flow prediction, please just scan this QR code. Next slide, please, Nikita. So how our product will work. First, we want to conduct partnership with our client where they should provide us the adequate amount of data. Then our engineers, our team will process the data and do various machine learning model experiments. And then in the end, we want to return an application base consisting the supplies food prediction to our client. So here's the tech stack we use. From machine learning, we started with data pre-processing using NumPy and Pandas together with Matplotlib to develop the exploratory data analysis before considering it ready to feed it into our machine learning model by using TensorFlow framework. Next, from the mobile development, we started from using building the user flow and then mock-up design before implementing it into Android Studio with Kotlin programming language. And then from cloud computing, we develop and integrate the machine learning model with Flask and Fast API before we considered ready to use our cloud architecture using Google Cloud. For further information for our Git repository, please visit our GitHub site link. Next slide, please. Okay, so here's our cloud architecture. Before we deploy our Flask API, we use Cloud Run to run our containerized API. Besides that, we also use Cloud Build so we can automate the deployment to our application, so we don't have to manually build and push our Docker every time we need to update our API. And then the cloud will be triggered every time we push change into our repository, and then we create container and have it pushed into the Google Cloud. Next slide, please.
Okay, so we from the mobile development team will lead you on the demo of these apps. This is the login page. You can just log in with your account, or if you don't have account, you can create one by clicking the not member and create account title. You can just register yourself by inputting your name, your email, and your password. And then just click the register button down there. And if the register is successful, you will direct it into the login page again, and you can log in using the email and password you already registered before. And then just click the login button. And if the login is successful, you will direct it into our homepage. In our homepage, you can see all the product lists with each data prediction for today. The data prediction on today's sale prediction section will update it automatically every day, follows the calendar. Then if you click the green button on the right side, you will direct it into the detail page. From here, my friend Nikita will continue the demo of these apps.
Okay, so after you click the green button on the homepage, you will direct into the detail page. In the detail page, you can see data prediction of product for maximal 14 days. Also in this detail page, there is option button that you can use to filter how long the predictions will show. You can choose for 3 days, 7 days, or 14 days. And then the data on the detail is consist by date, forecast, and also real. It means this app will tell you that in this date, the product will sold as much as this one. And then in the end of the day, if you want to input the real data sales, you can to compare if the prediction is correct, close or not by clicking this green button on the right side. After you click the green button, you will direct into add sales page. In this page, the product name and also the date will automatically appear following which product that you want to add the sales. So in this page, you just need to input the amount of the sale. For example, I will input 1 to sales today, and then you can click button save. Then if the Excel Excel is successful, the data results in the detail page will update automatically. Then if you finish to add these cells, you can return to the home page by using this icon. Then if you want to log out from this app, you can use this icon. That's all the demo of this app. We will continue the presentation.
Here's a brief review of our competitive landscape. You guys can see from the top right quadrant, here is our product left over which is focused on machine learning approach and considered ready for any food and beverage businesses. Next slide, please. So and also here's our scalability plan that's divided into 3 terms. From continuously improve our prediction mobile, releasing it into the mobile app and launching our personal website, and also expanding our revenue streams by penetrating the 5 to 9% of total addressable market, and also expanding our market into our other cities in Indonesia. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you for leftover team. Next from Haitani team.